Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrook from MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Yamaha AR250. So, starting way up here in the bow, you can see we've got a ton of space up here. Yamaha really utilizing 25 feet on this boat here. So to give you an idea, I'm about 6'3". This is me stretched out in the bow. So you could easily fit 4 or 5 people up here. And you've got storage underneath each of these bench seats on the side. And then these front cushions are gonna pop up and build kind of a stepping stool platform so you can kind of climb back in off the bow there. Complements this bow ladder right here in your anchor storage compartment pretty well. We'll work our way back into the cockpit a little bit. As we're headed back there, we'll take a look right here in the walkway. You can see you do have a wind dam door here that's got some storage. Those are gonna fold out and stick in right there on that track. Work as a wind dam. And then up under here, you got a ski locker and it shows your snap-in vinyl flooring there as well. All right, it snaps back into place. And over here, this compartment right now is set up ready for a porta potty to be added. If you choose not to, it's just a really big storage compartment in there. All right, we'll take a quick look over at the helm real quick. You can see you've got dual ignition for your dual motors that you do have on board this Yamaha here. You got this Yamaha Connect screens that's going to have your chart plotter, your radio, your engine management, all that's going to be handled in that screen there. And you do have a wireless charging cell phone mount over there towards the right as well. This boat does have dual captain's chairs, so both sets are going to have full swivel capabilities. Pop it out. You can give it a turn, face whichever way you want to with armrests, and the driver is going to have this adjustable bolster on there. You can see we're getting plenty of shade from our bimini top on top of our sport tower here. You're going to have a tow hook on top there. That's really part of the sport aspect of the AR models from Yamaha here. More storage in these benches back here in the cockpit, the main entertaining area. This tower does fold down with these knobs here. And then we'll give you a quick look at those nice Yamaha 1.9 high output motors there. So you got a lot of power behind this boat here. So you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake.